most of our students that I see that come out of engineering or anything to more of just ensuring that they score the marks in exam, remembering, reproducing the next day, and then the third day they forget. I believe understanding is a very important part, and if you understand, then you can reproduce it later also. This is one of the most lacking part.
Rajiv Gandhi, co-owner of Vulcan Industrial Engineering Company, understood that it is not speed, but the steady leap that builds a strong foundation. He understood the value of data available in the market, asked the right questions, and transformed those into meaningful actions and success. Today, he leads the company with a sharp focus on ensuring the right technical decisions, while his brother, Sanjay Gandhi, steers the commercial direction. Established in 1971 by Jayantilal Gandhi, Vulcan was named after the Roman god of metalworking.
There are periods when you are really low and many people may quit. But lucky for us, our father was not a quitter. He kept on fighting, working harder and harder.
From just 2 modest machines from Rajkot, Vulcan has grown into a modern manufacturing hub, spread across 40 acres with expansion underway. What keeps Vulcan thriving is its spirit, a joint family working as one, where the new generation is empowered with responsibility, while the older one guides with wisdom.
Believe in God means, in a way, I always believe that there is something amount of luck. You do hard work, yes, but somewhere a little bit of luck is always playing a part.
For the Gandhis, success was never about shortcuts. As their father taught them, never do anything that will disturb your night's sleep. That principle continues to define Vulcan, a company built on honesty and integrity, a global leader today in mining machinery and gearing.